This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It is Monday, the 14th of May, and some mixed activity on the US markets on Friday. The Dow Jones closed down 34 points, or 0.27%, and we can see after weekend activity, Dow futures are now pointing to a slightly lower open ahead of tonight's markets. On the Nasdaq, we had a 0.18 point movement upwards. That's barely unchanged from the previous day's sessions, and the S&P 500 lost 4.6 points, or 0.34%. You can see slightly downwards through there. So the seller momentum in the US is slowing, attempting to hold some support levels, and we just will need to see whether that will do that in the next couple of sessions. Over in Europe, the FTSE had gained 31 points on Friday. It is in a downwards trend. It is just hovering sideways over the last few sessions. The German DAX had gained 61.9 points, so a bit of a bias spurt there. That was up 0.95%. Most of that activity occurring in the last hour and a half of trading. In the French markets, the CAC 40 was down 0.4 of a point, or 0.1%. Barely changed there, and it too is attempting to hold a support base, as we can see on the chart here. A little closer to home, the ASX 200 was down on Friday. It lost 11 points, and it is hovering slightly sideways through the tail end of last week. It is still remaining in an upwards trend. Seller momentum has slowed, as we see it bottoming out here. The question will be whether it can attempt to continue to rally. A break below 4250, and this is in a new downwards trend. And the SPY futures, they are currently up 2 points, barely changed after the weekend activity. We'll just need to see where this market's going to head at the start of the week. Well, wish you all good luck for trading and investing this week, and we look forward to chatting to you tomorrow.